Practical Studies workshop takes a deep dive into the world of accounting. We explore how the profession is looking to reshape itself through a statistical lens. In the process, we share a great many sources of available and useful statistical data. We look at CPAs in Canada and where they work. In particular, we're interested in industry and public accounting. We examine employment statistics for members of our profession at the Canada Job Bank in an attempt to determine how many CPAs work in industry as opposed to public accounting. We attempt to determine the approximate number of CPAs in Canada that work in industry, or rather that don't work in public practice or the public sector. Then we try to align the number of so-called management accountants with Canadian businesses of different sizes. We consider the fact that most Canadian businesses, even our largest businesses, don't employ as many CPAs as we've been led to believe. Next, we look at how businesses of various sizes use external accountants for tax and regulatory compliance. We then study accounting, tax preparation, bookkeeping, and payroll services industry using Statistics Canada and Industry Canada data. We attempt to break down categories of firms that work within this industry and the way that revenue relates to the size of firm. Next, we realign the types of revenue to conform more closely with the reality of services performed by those different sectors and sizes of businesses. We then supplement Statistics Canada data with additional data from Business in Vancouver that reports on the top 20 firms in BC in order to get a better sense of how the top end of the market differs. In their attempt to anonymize the data, predictably, Statistics Canada ends up protecting primarily the largest 10 firms that together make up about 46% of revenue for the more than 30,000 firms in the industry, including bookkeeping and tax services. From here, we can determine the number of CPAs per partner or span of control as a function of firm size. We also confirm those results by aligning the data with income and profitability statistics for small firms, less than 5 million in revenue. Finally, we incorporate survey data from the 2018 WASP barcode study in the US that indicates the top accounting challenges faced by businesses that vary in size from 11 to 100 employees.